In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your microphone sound quality using OBS Studio. Whether you're a seasoned streamer or just starting out, having the best audio possible is crucial. Clear audio elevates your content, making it more enjoyable for your audience. So let's dive right into it and make sure your microphone sounds fantastic. First, you'll need to open OBS Studio on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, you'll want to visit the OBS Studio website and download the version compatible with your operating system. OBS Studio is a powerful open source software that's widely used for video recording and live streaming. Once you have it open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It can seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry, it's more straightforward than it appears. Now direct your attention to the Audio Mixer panel. This is a crucial area in OBS where you can control the audio levels for your different input sources. Look for your microphone in this section. You'll probably see a little volume meter next to it that jumps up and down as it picks up sound. To the right of your microphone's name, you should notice 3 tiny dots or a settings icon. Go ahead and click on that. Once the menu appears, click on Filters. Filters are OBS's way of letting you tweak and fine-tune the sound coming from your microphone. Here you can add different effects to reduce background noise, eliminate pops and static, and generally make your voice come across as clear and professional. You can add compressors to minimize sound distortion during loud moments, or use noise gates to cut out unwanted ambient noise when you're not speaking. It's essential to test these filters while speaking into your mic to hear how each one affects your audio in real time. Take your time to experiment with these filters. Don't hesitate to try different settings to see what works best for your environment and setup. Remember, crafting the perfect sound might require some trial and error, but it's well worth the effort for a polished final result. And there you have it. You've successfully enhanced your microphone sound using OBS Studio. By following these steps, you can ensure your audio is crisp and clear, providing your audience with a more enjoyable listening experience. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy streaming